Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this quick video, I will talk about how to get into Credit Karma with CPN. So we are going to talk about if it is illegal or the illegal, do you use it or don't use it. So let's start. So as you know, using CPN or the credit privacy number to access services like Credit Karma can be legally risky and may violate terms of service. So CPNs are marketed as the alternatives to the social security numbers or SNS. But in many cases, their use can be considered fraud, especially if used to misprint your identity to the lenders or financial institute. So in the summary, using CPN is illegally risky. So if you don't want to get into the legal matters, I advise you to don't use CPN. So as you already know that Credit Karma requires SNS. So you to create an account, Credit Karma require a valid SSN to pull credit reports from major bureaus. So using a CPN would likely result in account suspension or the legal consequences if discovered. So there are many legal risks. So using a CPN to obtain credit or the financial services can seen as an identity fraud. So legitimate financial institute reports to the credit bureau using SNS using a CPN would lead to a federal charges. So it is not worth it to use CPN to create your account with Credit Karma because it can get you into serious trouble. So there are alternative for rebuilding your credit. So you can apply for secured credit cards or the credit builder loans that reports to the credit bureau using services like Credit Karma Credit Builder with a valid SSN to gradually improve your credit profile. So if you're trying to build or repair credit, it's safer to pursue legitimate credit building strategy rather than using a CPN. So that is all you have to know. So you just have to stay away from CPN. You have to use your SSN to create your account with the Credit Karma. So if this video was helpful, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel.